Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Cami and welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Some of you are not new to this part of the video and others of you are. This might be your first video watching me. So for this part of the video, I'm going to present to you my bonus giveaway question. I'm in the middle of a giveaway right now. So the bonus action for this video is to I came up with a look that I really like. For some reason, I just really wanted to do green. I have been doing a lot of red and pink colored eyeshadow, and green was just really speaking to me. The makeup brand Wet n Wild was sweet, and they sent me the 26 shades of the Mega Last High Shine and the Mega Last Matte Lip colors. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the makeup tutorial, and don't forget, stay around to the end so you can see me choose a lip color. Alright guys, so I've already got my eyebrows on. I did them so you wouldn't have to sit here and watch me do them for like 5 hours. Brows take so long to do. That primer water was running out. It's so loud outside. I'm kind of distracted because it's like raining for the first time in Los Angeles like this whole month, and there's like sirens. I hope everyone's okay out there. Oh my gosh. Alright. I'm going to begin this look with doing some primer, and this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water Spray. Wow. Ooh, that smells good. But I think I prefer the cucumber one. I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my lips a little bit further. So this is the Wet n Wild Mega Slips Lip Gloss in Crystal Clear. And this is going to help me stay hydrated because who knows how long this makeup look is going to take. My skin isn't really dry, and I really like that, and it probably has a lot to do with the fact that I've been drinking so much water. You guys, I've been under the weather a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in because I want to start this look today with doing my eyes. We're all zoomed in, guys. So the first thing is I'm gonna go ahead and put some eyeshadow on. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Stop Playing Safe eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild. I'm not going to be playing it safe though today, you guys. I'm going to use color. I love this transition color here, but I'm going to use that green and probably that one. I love how they give you like the day and night examples on the back of the palette. It's really good if you are just getting started. So I'm just gonna take this transition color right here and go ahead and put that in my crease. To be honest, you guys, I haven't filmed as many makeup tutorials as I wanted to film. I went ahead and put a little bit of base on my eyelids so that my eyeshadow has something to stick to. It's not really dark. I don't want something really dark there. I just want like a more natural brownish reddish color to go behind the green that I'm gonna use. And the brush I'm using is my favorite makeup brush, you guys. If you've seen any of my other makeup tutorials on the latter half of last year and earlier this year, you'll know that this Wet n Wild crease brush is my favorite makeup brush. It's so soft and it just fits my eye. My eye is not very big, and I needed something that I could blend and swirl with, and it wouldn't feel like it was always like in my eyebrows or something. I don't need a brush that's gonna cover and touch my eyebrow. I need something to just fit right here so I can create a crease like I'm doing now. Look how natural that eye looks. If I wanted to just stop here and add mascara, I really could be done with the eye look, but we're not going for a natural look today. Today I really want to play with color, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the green. So I'm taking my Wet n Wild Smoky Liner brush, and I'm taking this green here, and I need a brush that literally like is so fine because I'm going to go right below my crease with this color. I don't know why, but that was very intense for me, guys. So now that the green color is laid just below my crease, I'm gonna go ahead and continue the half moon shape across the entire eyelid. I don't have as many blemishes as I'm used to having when I do my makeup. You guys, water is literally a lifesaver. Drink a lot of water if you can. I'm taking my same fluffy brush with a little bit of the transition color, and I'm going to just put a little bit of that at the bottom. So now that I have a little bit of the transition color on the bottom, I'm going to take the same green that I was using earlier, and I'm just going to put that more or less like on the lower lash line, but also a little bit in the waterline. This is the Mega Glow Hello Halo liquid highlighter, and this color is called Go with the Glow. So I'm going to put this all over my face. I can probably zoom out to show you guys this. I'll zoom out. I'm going to go ahead and just use this underneath my foundation for today. So this is the color. It's going to look very, very shiny, guys. Do not fret. It's all going to work out. This is just to give me that extra boost of glow. Oh my goodness, it's coming along. You guys are like, what is going on? Do not worry, it's gonna look good, guys. So the only place I don't have the Mega Glow Hello Haylighter is Hello Haylighter. The only place, you guys, I don't have the Hello Halo Mega Glow liquid highlighter is on the top of my lip and at my temples here. I just don't necessarily want my temples to be glowy, and I don't want the top of my lip to be glowy either. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to foundation, and with foundation I'm going to use the flat top brush and also my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is the Dewy Luminous foundation. The color is Caramel. This is my first time using this brush. I'm pretty excited because I love to use like the stippling motion for my foundation. I find that I usually need at least like 5 swipes of the foundation. I normally would not use a dewy foundation on purpose, but I'm trying to step out of like my comfort zone. I have oily skin, but I'm trying this out anyway because I believe that with like a powder, I can totally make anything work. So now that my dewy formula is all over my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use the makeup stick. So this is the Mega Glow Contour makeup stick, and the color is called Call Me Maple. So I'm going to use this to contour my face. So you can see the caramel color ended up matching my neck perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and move forward and just darken up where my face would naturally be a little bit darker, and I'm going to do that with this right here. Okay, so let's go ahead on with the stick, and I'm just gonna make myself look dark where I would normally darken myself up. So right here at the hollows of my cheek. Right now I'm embracing the glowy look because I'm sick and I want to look healthier. So that just warms me up a little, and I'm laughing because this kind of reminds me of the way I used to do my makeup in middle school. I used to wear this green eyeliner like every day. I would even wear it to like volleyball practice. Like it was a lot, but I really, really liked it. I like the way this is coming along, but this is not done yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and add concealer really quick and some powder, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna finish the eyes and then move on to the lips. Alright guys, so I'm back. I applied a little bit of face powder, and now I'm gonna go ahead and touch back on the eyes. I'm gonna use this light green here. And I'm going on the inner corner of both of my eyes. I'm also going to apply it to the very corner of my eye here. I'm going to put a little bit of that yellow there on top of this mint green, just to make the color pop some more. Okay, so I'm also going to apply a little bit of that yellow color on my brow bone right under my eyebrow. You guys, I'm going to be very daring, and I'm going to add a little bit of that yellow color kind of mixed with this peach and do highlighter on my nose. That's fun. Okay guys, so I'm gonna finish off my eyes, and then we're gonna move on to the feature of the video, and we're gonna do my lips. You guys think I can make my lips look bigger? Like that is always the goal with makeup, is to make my lips look bigger. I think for me, you know what? throughout this video, I've loved using this gloss. I want to put this gloss on top of one of the colors. So instead of going for the shine, I'm going to go for a matte color. I don't know, I have so many matte colors to choose from, but I think instead of using like one of the reds or the pinks, I'm going to stick to the nudes and the browns because I think that they really complement like the green eye makeup. And I have narrowed it down to these 3 colors right here. So on top I have Never Nude, and then I have Bare It All, and then I have Cinnamon Spice. So I'm thinking one or all of these colors is gonna look really good on my lips right now. I use colors like this one all the time. This is Cinnamon Spice. Like this is like basically my lip color, but I don't know, I just feel like I really want Bare It All or Never Nude to work. The one I'm going to use is Never Nude, and I'm hoping this just is perfect with this look. I know it's going to be. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, this is really gorgeous, guys. Ooh, this is my color. I picked the right one. Okay, so this is really pretty with the brown liner, and then I'm going to put the gloss on top. It's just going to look so good. All right, guys, do my lips look bigger? Yes. What do you guys think? Do you think I should have used a little bit more green somewhere, or should I have used a different lip color? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and my handle is Cami's Cosmetics. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my very next video. Bye!